Shaitanirajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, botany lovers, plant lovers, the plant which I want to discuss today is a very unique and very important plant. The botanical name of this plant is Viscum album. You see one of the branch of this plant, a shrubby plant. The botanical name is Viscum album, and this plant species belong to family Loranthaceae. The important characteristic of this plant is that it is semi-parasitic plant. This plant does not grow independently, but it grows as parasite on some of the trees like walnut, apple, apricot. तो ये प्लांट जो होता है ये सेमी पैरासिटिक है. Although this is green, it can photosynthesize, but this plant does not grow in soil. This plant grows on the branches of the tree or tree trunks of other species. Here you see the plant has been collected from a walnut tree, and this wood is of walnut. ये जो है ये walnut की wood है, और ये प्लांट जो है वालनट की ब्रांच के अंदर जो है वो ग्रो कर रहा है. ये पूरा हमने जो इसका होस्ट है वालनट ट्री उसकी वुड है, और ऊपर ये जो है ये विस्कम एल्बम है, ये पैरासाइट है. दिस मीन दिस वाज ग्रोइंग ऑन द वालनट ट्री लाइक दिस. तो वी हैव कट द ब्रांच ऑफ द वालनट ट्री एंड कलेक्टेड दिस प्लांट स्पीशीज. सो this is a semi-parasitic plant, and usually this parasitic plant is found in the moist temperate area of the Pakistan, and this species has been collected from Mansehra Jalgali area of district Mansehra from Jaglis tree, a parasite growing on the Jaglis जिसको हम walnut या अखरोट भी कहते हैं. Here you see the fruits of this tree, which are drupe or berry, whitish creamy color fruits. And the important characteristic of this plant is that this plant is highly medicinal. It is used to cure many diseases worldwide, and I will discuss some of the important traditional uses of this plant species, the Viscum album belonging to family Loranthaceae. Actually there are two species in Pakistan belonging to this genus Viscum. This is Viscum album. I think the album is due to the whitish berries, alba, white color. So this is Viscum album. Now I will discuss some of the important medicinal uses of this plant. The species is used to cure many diseases, but I will discuss some of the major uses of this plant. First of all, the word viscum, in English it is called as mistletoe. This means heal all. This means that this plant has a lot of healing properties. The botanical name of the plant, the etymology of the name is that that means that heal, all heal, that there are many healing properties of this plant. One of the important property is that this plant is used to cure cancer, especially the breast cancer, and a lot of studies have been conducted worldwide on this important characteristic feature of this plant, that it is used to cure the cancer and especially the breast cancer. In many other colon cancer, blood cancer, liver cancer, leukemia, lung cancer, ovarian cancer, and uterine cancer. These are different types of diseases, cancer diseases, cancer which are treated, and a lot of research has been done on this plant to cure these diseases, and very useful and positive effects of this plant have been reported regarding the treatment of the cancer. The second important use is that this plant is used to treat the cardiovascular diseases, the heart diseases, and many studies have been conducted to explore the effect of this plant to treat the cardiovascular diseases. Similarly, The plant is also used to manage the skin conditions, skin infections, and is believed that it has pain-killing properties. It is also painkiller and may be used to treat pain. Similarly, this plant is also used to treat the depression and anxieties, and they have promising alternative therapy against mood related conditions, including depression, anxiety, fatigue, and especially when these conditions are associated with cancer treatment. The other very important use is that this plant is also used to support hormonal balance. If there is any disease related to hormonal balance, then this plant is also used to treat that. Similarly, this plant is used to fight cough, asthma, and colds, flu, and also used to cure many viral diseases like HIV and even the COVID-19 have been also treated with by using this plant. Similarly, there are uses in which the plant is also used to purify the blood. If there is an issue in the blood, the berries of this plant are used to cure the blood purification. So these are some of the important medicinal uses, but this must be kept in mind that should be used with the advice of some expert, yeah, homeopath or any other hakim which knows about this, because this plant can be poisonous if used without caution. So if you are using to treat any disease, and the properties of these plants are shared only to tell the students the importance and medicinal property of this plant. Is if anyone is patient and using, should not use without caution and get advice from any physician or doctor before using this plant to cure any disease. Thank you very much.